Good afternoon. This is the Pine Hollow Trail. After several trips on the Shady Hollow Trail, I decided to change it up a bit. Actually, this is the first trail I took the first time I came to McDowell, but I haven't been on this one since. So, the marker for this trail is a yellow square. So we're going to stay on the yellow square road. See what I did there? A little brook. And it's got some water in it. Okay, here's a road. Here's a bridge. Last time I went, I think I went this way to get to the water. Let's try that again. So what I'm doing, what I think I'm doing, is following the water. It looks like it's flowing that way. So we'll head that way. Alright, now we've come to the Cove Trail. This is the one I took last time also. So that original trail just kind of got us to another trail. I don't think I'll take the audio tour. The Cove Trail is a blue square. So now we're going to follow the blue square road. Alright, we got us some terrain here. I don't know if you can see it. This is a very steep uphill surrounding terrain. At first, I was amazed. Well, it's not all that steep. At first, I was amazed at how sharply the terrain rises around here. But after being here for a while, I'm not quite as amazed. It's just kind of normal. This is where I was before. So that water, that little brook I followed, has taken us here. And this is one of the fingers of Lake Wylie. So as you can see, well, maybe you can't see it right now, but as we continue to go forward, this widens out to the point where we have people. Hey there. Hey. You guys having fun?
Oh yeah.
Looks like fun. And here are the first real vestiges of Lake Wylie. So the trail goes this way, and eventually I believe it's going to bend over that way. So let's do this. Nice bridge here. I think there's a pavilion or something up there. Folks appear to be enjoying themselves with a little music. Nothing wrong with that. Nice little U-turn here. Check this out. It's what we call a terrain feature. Several hundred feet. So when I first contemplated moving to North Carolina, one of my concerns was the lack of terrain, because where I had lived in the Carolinas previously was, say, the Midlands, the Sand Hills, you know, more toward the coast, and there wasn't really much terrain to speak of. But having been here for a while, I think I can relax now. There's plenty of terrain. Here is a little more of Lake Wylie. So we're heading this way to a nice switchback. We may come out alongside the lake. Right now we're heading away from it. Here's our first turn. So I'm heading up this way, and by all accounts this appears to be heading toward a road. I can't say for sure, but it just gives that feel. Well, maybe not. But check this out. We got a little side path here that goes to a lower path that is closer to the lake by a bit. And this is an established path. It's not like bushwhacking or something like that. Tempting. Okay, I came down that little slope, and now I'm on this side trail. As you can see, the lake is right down there, opening up quite nicely. Got a downed tree here. I'm just gonna poke my nose in here and see where it goes. I'll take you with me. So it looks like we're just heading down to the water. Yeah, we're right down by the water now. We got a little pollution here. That's not good. Well, check this out. There's some fortification here. So there was some forethought involved in the existence of this trail. That's comforting to know. But from what I can see, this does not appear to want to try to connect back to the Cove Trail. So I'm just going to take this hill and see what's at the top of it. And if I'm not satisfied with what I see, I'll just turn around and come back. We're at the top of this hill, that hill, and we have a continuation. I spoke to some people who said this kind of continues around back to what they called the parking lot. Only thing is, there are several parking lots in this place, so I don't want to end up someplace else. So this was a nice little exploration, but I think I'm going to head back to the Cove Trail and see where that leads. That name, Cove Trail, sounds familiar. So I'm up on the Cove Trail, and that trail I was just on is down here somewhere. You can't even see it. Part of it goes up here alongside the water and just follows the lake shore around at a higher elevation. So for sure, yeah, I think I see some of it over here too. So definitely it did not hook back up with the Cove Trail, because we're going in a completely different direction now. Well, check this out. It just came out of that trail area, And here is the Kingfisher Trail, the one I took before when I was on the Shady Hollow Trail. And how about this? The Shady Hollow Trail. Okay, and as you can see over there, that's the Cove Trail. So I'm starting to learn my way around here. So since I'm here, I think I'll head back on the Shady Hollow Trail. Just make a nice little loop. Now, the Shady Hollow Trail is a yellow dot. So now we're on the yellow dot trail.